Your business is profitable, your revenue is growing, you have customers lining up, and you're about to go bankrupt because everything you think you know about cash flow is probably wrong. Here's one thing that drives us crazy. Everyone tells you cash flow is important, but nobody explains why profitable businesses with great sales still run out of money. In the next 10 or so minutes, we're going to demolish the 5 biggest cash flow myths that kill businesses, including the deadly misconception that more sales automatically means more cash. You're going to discover why your biggest sale might be your worst enemy, the 90-day roadmap that transformed cash flow permanently, and the exact forecasting system that predicts problems 13 weeks before they hit. It's officially our thing now, a free downloadable with every video. We've created a free cash flow transformation workbook with calculators, templates, and scripts you can use immediately. No email required, just grab it in the description below. Let's dive in. Myth number 1, profit equals cash flow. This is a killer. We see it constantly. Business owners celebrating their P&L statements while their bank accounts scream for mercy. Here's the brutal reality. Profit is an accounting concept. Cash is what keeps your doors open. Think about it. Let's say you make a $50,000 sale in January, huge profit margin. It looks great on paper, but your customer pays net 60. Meanwhile, you need to pay suppliers, rent, and payroll right now. That profitable sale, it just created a 2-month cash hole. The fix is simpler than you think. Stop managing your business by profit and start managing it by cash conversion cycle. Here's the formula. Days inventory outstanding, how long products sit before selling or how long projects take to complete, plus days sales outstanding, how long customers take to pay, minus days payable outstanding, how long you take to pay your suppliers or overhead for the project. This equals your cash conversion cycle. If that number is over 30 days, you're in danger. Over 60, you're already drowning. And hey, we know that formula, it looks intimidating. That's why our free workbook walks you through calculating your exact cash conversion cycle step by step. You'll know your number in about 5 minutes. It'll make more sense when you see it in writing. Your goal overall is to reduce your DIO, reduce your DSO, and increase your DPO. This alone will improve your cash flow dramatically. Myth number 2, more sales solve cash flow problems. This one's counterintuitive, but stay with us. Growing businesses often have worse cash flow than stable ones. We call it the growth paradox. Every business has money stuck in operations. Inventory on shelves, invoices waiting to be paid, work in progress. We call this working capital. It's the cash trapped between spending and collecting. When sales grow, trapped cash grows too. Let's say you currently have $100,000 tied up in working capital. If you double sales, you'll likely need $200,000 tied up. That extra $100,000 has to come from somewhere, and it's needed now, not when those new customers eventually pay. Take a snapshot of your business. How much cash is tied up in inventory? How much are customers currently owing you? How much do you owe suppliers? The first 2 minus the third equals your working capital. Now here's the critical ratio. Working capital divided by annual revenue is your growth efficiency. If that number is 0.20, 20%, you need 20 cents in cash for every new dollar of sales. You want to grow by $500,000, you'll need $100,000 in additional cash just to fund operations. Most businesses never calculate this. They land huge contracts, celebrate the growth, then they can't understand why they're running out of money despite record sales. And the brutal truth, if your ratio is above 30%, growth becomes your enemy. Every new sale pushes you closer to bankruptcy, not because you're failing, but because you're succeeding faster than your cash can keep up. The workbook includes a growth efficiency calculator that helps you find your exact ratio and understand what it means for your business. Myth number 3, cash flow management is just good bookkeeping. No, it's not. Cash flow management is a strategic weapon, not an administrative task. The businesses that survive use it to make decisions, not just track them. Here's what strategic cash flow management actually looks like. Daily, you're checking your cash position. This takes 2 minutes. Weekly, updating your 13-week rolling forecast. This takes 20 minutes. And monthly, analyzing cash conversion metrics. This takes about an hour. That's it. Less than 2 hours per month to prevent bankruptcy. But here's what most people miss. The 13-week forecast isn't about accuracy, it's about visibility. When you see problems 13 weeks out instead of 1 week out, you have options. When you see them 1 week out, you have panic. We've included a complete 13-week rolling forecast template in the workbook. It's the exact format we use, already set up with the right categories and formulas. Just plug in your numbers. Myth number 4, invoice terms don't really matter. This might be the most expensive myth of all, and it relates to all the myths we've talked about so far. Switching from net 30 to net 14 terms improves cash flow by 53%. 53%. Here's the math. If you have $100,000 in monthly sales on net 30 terms, you're floating $100,000. You switch to net 14 and you're only floating $46,000. That's $54,000 back in your pocket. But everyone offers net 30, right? Wrong again. Here's exactly how to compress payment terms. Offer 210 net 14. 2% discount if paid within 10 days. Require credit cards for orders under $5,000. Invoice the same day you ship, not at month's end. Send invoices on Friday morning. They process them on Monday. Just those 4 changes typically accelerate cash flow by 15 to 20 days. The workbook has a payment terms optimizer that calculates exactly how much cash you'll free up by changing your terms. Plus, we've included word-for-word scripts for negotiating with both customers and vendors. Myth number 5, cash reserves are dead money. This is the entrepreneur's curse, thinking every dollar should be working. But here's what the data shows. Businesses with 3 to 6 months of cash reserves are 90% more likely to survive disruptions. Those without, 82% of them fail within 2 years of their first crisis. Here are some targets based on industry. Service businesses, 3 to 6 months operating expenses. Retail, 4 to 5 months. Manufacturing, 5 to 6 months. And seasonal businesses, 6 to 12 months. But that's so much money sitting idle. No, it's not idle. It's buying you options. When competitors panic, you can pounce. When opportunities arise, you can move. When mistakes happen, and they will, you survive. You can check out the cash reserve calculator in the workbook. It'll tell you exactly what your target should be based on your specific business type and your monthly expenses. Your 90-day cash flow transformation. Enough theory. Here's exactly what to do starting today. Days 1 through 30. This is where we stop the bleeding. You switch to electronic invoicing. This can save 7 to 10 days. Implement 210 net 14 terms. Cut every subscription you haven't used in 30 days and create your first 13-week forecast. Most businesses see a 20% about improvement just from month 1. Days 31 through 60, this is where we're optimizing the engine. Negotiate payment terms with your top 5 suppliers. Set up automated payment reminders, day 1, 7, 14, 30. Implement milestone billing for projects over $10,000 and start building your cash reserve, even just in putting in $500 a month. Days 61 through 90, this is where we build the fortress. Automate your 13-week forecast updates. Establish a line of credit before you need it. Create cash flow triggers. If cash dips below X, then Y happens. And document your cash management system. Our free workbook includes this entire 90-day plan laid out with checkboxes, specific actions, and places to track your progress. It even includes a commitment page because we found that writing it down makes you a lot more likely to follow through. What transformation looks like. Let's paint you a picture of what's possible. Imagine a retail business that's been struggling with cash flow for years. They make one change, shifting from net 30 to requiring credit cards for 60% of their sales. Within 90 days, they free up $47,000 in cash. No new sales, no cost cutting, just better timing. Or picture a service firm implementing milestone billing and actually using a 13-week forecast. Then go from constantly scrambling to cover payroll to building 4 months of reserves within a year. How about this one? A manufacturer discovers they can negotiate their supplier terms from net 30 to net 45 while collecting from customers in 21 days. They create what's called a negative cash conversion cycle, meaning their customers fund their suppliers. They never need another loan for growth. These aren't fantasy scenarios. They're what happens when you understand one thing. Cash flow isn't about accounting. It's about timing. Here's your wake-up call. Every myth we just discussed is probably costing you money right now. Every day you manage by profit instead of cash, every sale on net 30 terms, every week without a forecast, it all compounds. But here's the good news. You're not starting from zero. You already have the sales, the customers, the business. You just need to flip the switch on how you manage cash. Your next 3 moves. First, calculate your cash conversion cycle today. The workbook makes it really simple. Just grab your recent financials and follow the prompts. Second, fill out the 13-week forecast template this Sunday night. Set aside 20 minutes, pour yourself something good, map out your cash future. Third, pick one payment term to change this week. Just one. The workbook has the exact scripts to use. Watch what happens next. The bottom line, cash flow isn't complicated. It's not accounting. It's not financial wizardry. It's timing. Money in before money out. Master that, and you'll never have to worry about survival again. If you're hungry for more tools to transform your cash flow, you can download our free cash flow transformation workbook below. It includes cash conversion cycle calculator, 13-week rolling forecast template, payment term scripts, 90-day action plan, everything we talked about in the video, and also some more. No email required, no upsells, just the tools you need to fix your cash flow. We see it so often, and it hurts us to see people not understand. It's hard to understand. Nobody teaches you this. Revenue is vanity. Profit is sanity, but cash flow is reality. Now go fix yours.